Kenmor Elite cooktop model no. SF, not FS, error code on all displays. What board needs replacing? Thank you. John Hoagland.
So in quot, SF&quot, means that you're in Sabbath mode. To remove the Sabbath unit, press and hold the timer up arrow button and the control lock button for 5 seconds together, and that should exit from Sabbath mode. If that doesn't in number 39, work, flip the breaker off to the cooktop and try it again. If it's still 1 in number 39, work, just wait 72 hours and the cooktop should exit Sabbath mode on it in number 39, own. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
First, let me see if this works, and then I will be happy to rate the response. Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
According to the owner's manual that I found, the Sabbath mode indication is SB or 5B, not SF or 5F as you stated. Regards, John. According to the owner's manual that I found, the Sabbath mode indication is SB or 5B, not SF or 5F as you stated. Regards, John.
Not exactly. You apparently stopped reading and didn't in number 39, read the whole thing in your manual. Here is the rest of it attached.
Thank you very much for your assistance. The cooktop is now in working order. I asked a Sears person and received wrong advice, not surprising though. You were very helpful. Thanks again. How do I complete payment? Regards, John Hoagland, Silver City, New Mexico.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.